In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get the reply option on your Instagram on your iPhone. Now, all you have to do, guys, first is to go to your App Store, because a lot of people don't have the latest update or the latest version on their Instagram account. Now, we just want to search for Instagram, guys, and make sure you update the app to the latest version, because this is very important. Like after I show you the simple steps that I'm about to show you in this video, you will have first to update the app so that other steps will work. Okay, now after, guys, you open your Instagram account, you just want to click on update here. It says for me open because I already have the latest version of Instagram. Now click on update and wait for it to update. Now the next step, guys, you want to open your Instagram. Okay, after you have updated it, you want to click on your profile picture at the very bottom right and click on three little lions in the top right, and then you want to click settings in the top. Now in the top you will see there's something called update messaging. You want to click on it. If you don't see it, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of other methods that you can do to fix this problem. Now in the top, if you don't see your update messaging, that means you don't have it. Now you just want to go back. Okay, if you see it, click on it and then click on update, and you will be able to reply to a specific message by clicking on the messages. Like click on the message, press and hold on the message, and you will see three different options, and click on reply. Now let's say that you don't have it. Here is what worked for me on my other accounts. Okay, let's start right now. Now all you have to do, guys, to get the reply option, you want to change your iPhone language to UK English. Okay, I don't know why this works, but it works for me. So you just want to click on iPhone language and you want to click on language and region and click on iPhone language in the top and change it to UK English. When I click on UK English, it works. I don't know why, but I can't click it right now because it will stop recording the screen. Now after, guys, you like change it to UK English, see if you can see the reply option. Let's say that you don't see it. You just want to click on three little lines again in top right, and then click settings in the top, click on help and click on report a problem in the top, and make sure you toggle this on. Okay, here, toggle this on and go back. Okay, after you toggle this on, guys, you just want to go to your DMs. Let's say this one. Now, yeah, let's say the one. Now after, guys, you go to your DMs, you want to press and hold on the message. After, it says here two different options where it doesn't say the reply. At the very bottom left, it doesn't say reply. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to move your phone quickly, or shake your phone quickly like this. Okay, I'm going to show you how it looks right now. Okay, just want to, yeah, like this. Let me show you guys how it works. Like this, move it like this. Okay, after you move it, guys, this will pop up, as you can see. You want to click on report a problem, and then click on include and continue, and say to Instagram, hi Instagram, I don't have the reply option on my Instagram. Now after that, you just want to, and then, yeah, you want to please fix this. That's it. Click send it in the top right.